Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well in your studies. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about care of magnets. After using magnets, we need to keep the magnets very carefully. So in today's tutorial, we'll discuss all the steps while we are uh, placing a magnets or store them for later use. So they should be stored properly, as in laboratories we'll always use a bar magnets, so they should be always stored in pairs between a soft iron piece called keepers, as you see in the figure. So these are the bar magnets, and these can be stored with the iron pieces, and these are be known as a keepers. Fine. And whenever we are stored these bar magnets, always these bar magnets be stored in a pair. And as you see in the figure, that their poles should be opposite to each other, right? As you see in the figure, their poles should be opposite to each other. So while you are just kept the magnets after use, so you should take care of these type of small things to just keep your magnets safe. However, if you are using the U-shaped magnet as you see in the figure, so you have to place a one keeper at its pole. Fine. So that its magnetic power is be stored properly, and this magnet is be doesn't be demagnetized. Right. So now we are going to discuss about the uses of magnets. As you know, magnets find a wide uses in our homes, offices, factories, and in the toys, in games, etc. So some of the common uses of the magnets we'll discuss in this chapter. So these are, as we are using the magnet in a pencil box, jewelry boxes, and in the drawers of our cabinets, in fancy stickers and decorations to be fixed on refrigerator and the steel almirahs, etc. There will just stuck with that with the help of a magnet. To separate iron and a magnetic substance, there again will use a magnet in such industries. In electric motors, which are used in fans, coolers, mixer grinders, etc. Electric generators include huge power plants to generate electricity. Videos and audio cassettes contain a reel of a magnetic tape. So these audio and visual information is enclosed on the magnetic coating of the tape. Even the credit card or the debit card and the ATM cards have a magnetic strip which contains all the necessary information to connect with the bank account. Speakers and microphones of all sound producing electrical devices have a ring-shaped magnet in them. Magnets are also used in transformers. Small magnets are being used to treat different diseases in humans. So these are the some uses of magnets that we usually do in our day-to-day life, right? So we can now say that these magnets are be very important for us in a modern life or in our daily life. Thank you and have a nice day all.